and welcome to Monley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range, weather forecast discussion for December 5th to 17th, December 5th to the 9th. This we're still forecasting. We have a trough here near the Aleutians, a ridge here that'll expand across western North America. We also have a strong area of positive height anomalies across the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. And the flow starts up pretty zonal here across east central states. But as we go through time, you're going to see what happens. You see that the ridge in the west starts encompassing much of western North America. And we come to the end of the period. You see the pattern is almost set up. We have our ridge here, trough, upper low here, extends south. And our positive height anomalies strengthen here. And we take a look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement on this. Temperatures across east central states will start out above normal, then cool to below normal later in the period. The ridge in the west will cause temperatures to warm to above normal levels. Our front pushing through the east will be the focus for precipitation, and a cold cyclonic flow across the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes will result in lake effect snows. A system will be moving across the northern tier of the states, the Great Lakes and Northeast, and this will cause light snow will be possible from the northern plains into the Appalachians. And then later in the period, uncertainty arises along the East Coast due to a front that might be stalled there and might throw back moisture back to the coast and could cause rain or snow or a combination for portions of the Mid-Atlantic. December 8th to the 12th. Here we are at the 9th. Little changes forecast in the pattern. You can see we still have our strong ridge over western Canada with above normal heights across western North America. We have strong positive height anomalies here across the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. And we have these two area positive height anomalies converging and will maintain a cold pattern across the lower latitudes. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures to forecast from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, where I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation west of the Divide, and for the southern plains and the lower and middle Mississippi Valley, forecasting a probability of occurrence of 30 to 50%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, with again of a probability of occurrence might be 50% or more. Now we're going to take a look at the period for December 13th to the 17th. The pattern remains highly amplified here. We have strong ridge here, and here's our upper lower Hudson Bay that extends southward, broad deep trough across much of the east central states. But as we go through this period, we're going to watch some of the models here are showing weakening of the positive height anomalies across the high latitudes of the North Atlantic. This is the GFS. This is the GFS ensembles. This is the European, but we still have above normal heights across much of the polar regions in western North America. And then we take a look at the Canadian. So they're all maintaining relatively the same pattern setup, but a little weaker positive height anomalies here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures again for the western states, with anomalies of 6 to 8 degrees are forecast, and I'm forecasting below normal temperatures again from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 6 degrees or more below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation west of the Divide again, with probability of occurrence of 30 to 50%. and we have above normal precipitation forecast for the southeast and near the Great Lakes region, with the probability of occurrence of at least 50% or more. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.